Today is February, which means that the giveaway for the month of January has ended. If you guys didn't know what I'm giving away for the month of January, I'll go ahead and show you real quick. This is one of the things. We're giving away a custom set of orb wheels. Well, I say custom, I mean they're not actually custom, but giving away a set of orb wheels. They are like 85 durometer, which is really soft for me, and I didn't want them. I did skate them, tried them out.
Ugh, so grippy.
I just didn't care for them, and I figured why not give them to somebody who actually needs them. So we have a whole set right here, have only been used for maybe 15 to 30 minutes, and somebody out there is gonna get these. So stay tuned to see who wins the wheels, and then also for the month of January, we're giving away a whole complete skateboard. Again, I skated this in the last video.
Cheapest board on Amazon. See how it goes. I'm a little nervous. I feel like I should drop it on my board first, but we'll just try it. If I fall, I fall. Oh.
Got hurt a little bit on it, but this was a sponsored item from Gonex or Gonex. I don't exactly know how to say the name, but I like to say Gonex because it sounds cooler in my opinion. But this board was sponsored / sent to us from Gonex. You can pick their boards up off of Amazon.com. They're technically the cheapest board on Amazon, one of the cheapest boards on Amazon. And the deck itself, I think, was, again, really great. The only thing that I would suggest to the giveaway winner would be to replace all of this right here. So, yeah. It's not a bad deck, though. It is great for beginners. So if you are looking at wanting to learn how to skate and you don't have a complete skateboard, if you don't have a deck, this is going to be perfect for you. And if you win the board and you don't want the board, you are more than welcome to donate it to your community. Go to the local skate shop or skate park or skate shop actually, and give it to a kid that might need it. If you don't need it or want it, by all means, pass it forwards. Give it to somebody who is going to need it or who is going to want it. That's pretty much the point of my giveaway. I want to give as much back to the community as possible and to say thank you to the guys that support me. So again, thank you for coming back. Without you guys, like I say in every giveaway video, without you guys I couldn't do these giveaways, and it really makes me happy that I'm able to do these for you. So that's enough rambling. Let's go ahead and jump in to see who the giveaway winners are, and let me send these out in the same video, I hope. I don't know. We'll see. So since we are doing 2 giveaway items for this month, I'm actually gonna pick from 2 different videos. The first one, we're gonna pick the cheapest skateboard on Amazon. We're gonna go ahead and select a winner from that one. So go ahead and scroll down to pick a winner, and we're just gonna choose from all comments, and let's see who it is. Kanan Ramon. I know your board is whatever you feel comfortable with, but right now my shoe size is 7.5, my board is 8.5, does it generally not matter? I did answer this question, I already replied to your comment, so I hope that helped you out a lot. If you guys want to see what I said, you can either read the comment, but I'll give you kind of a gist. Board size really doesn't matter, it just depends on what your preference is for skating, basically. So if you're skating a bowl, wider boards are a little bit better. If you're skating street, smaller boards are a little bit better, or like technical tricks, smaller boards are a little bit better because they flip a lot faster. But your shoe size doesn't matter when it comes to skating. But if you are very, very small, you might get a smaller board because it might be more comfortable for you. But that answers your question. Again, congratulations, you won this board. So now you have a backup board. I know you already have one, but again, if you don't officially want this one, donate it to your community, give it to another kid at the skate park. If you want, you can, if you're gonna do that. If you wanna try to record it, send it to me on Instagram. I'll put it in this video showing you that you passed it forwards. So that'd be cool too. Anyway, the board is yours. I will message you, and then I will send this board out to you, and we'll hopefully have it at the end of this video. Now, let's move on to the next person. So for the next person, the next video we're gonna do is building a board at Zoomies. And we're just gonna do the same thing, and we're going to pick a winner from that one. And again, just choose from all comments, and we'll pick a winner. Let's see. Benny Julia? I don't want to butcher that, so sorry if I did. But you said videos look great, dude. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. It was a very short and quick video. I was running out of time, and I really needed to get some bearings and wheels for that custom board that I had. So thank you for enjoying that video. And I'm sad to say that I didn't enjoy these wheels, but I hope that you do. These are the wheels that were featured in that video. And again, I said if I don't like them, the Zoomies employees suck. And it looks like the Zumiez employees do in fact suck because they're not good for what I skate, and I shouldn't have listened, and I should have gotten what I really wanted, which was Formula 4 Spitfires or Bones STFs, but they didn't have them, so again, I'll have to go to a local skate shop. But regardless, it does let me give away free product to you guys. So I will again message you and get these sent out again, hopefully in the same video. But thank you guys so much for watching the video and supporting the channel. Let me know what you want for the next giveaway. February is here, so that means that this month has already started for the month of February, and we are going to be giving away right now a local skate shop deck if I can make the time and find the time to go do it or have permission to film in their store. What else do you guys want to see? I left a poll or a post on my community post on YouTube, so let me know what you guys want to see in the future. It could be shoes, skate tools, accessories, skate accessories, hats, apparel. We got Keegan Co apparel. You can check that out at shopkeeganco.com. Somebody wanted a trash can. So again, what do you guys want to see when it comes to giveaways? And I'll be more than happy to try to give it away, as long as it's not something expensive like a car, because I can't afford that yet. But whenever I get to 1 million subscribers, that is a possibility. So that's it for this section. Again, hopefully we can get to the sending out option. It's usually quick and simple, but I'm gonna reach out to these two guys and let them know that they won a skateboard and a set of wheels. So thanks for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate your support. We're almost at 6K, and I can't be thankful enough. I think you guys are awesome, and I hope that you guys are really enjoying the content. So again, I wanna give back as much as possible, and I just need y'all's feedback and support. What do y'all want to see? What do y'all want? That's pretty much it. So enjoy the last little bit of this video, if there is some, and I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys. Oh, that was easy. Wow.